the new springs from Wirt. Of course, that doesn't fit. They are too thin and too short. These are the original and these are the new one. And so I will have to send it back. I think I'll just go with the original springs. The old seam ring seals actually wasn't too bad, but I decided to change them anyway. But I will probably do more damage by changing them, and maybe it would be better to just let them be as they are. But I ordered new ones, so I'm gonna replace them, so I don't have to think about that anymore. So I have removed all the parts from the wheels, and I've verified that all the bearings and seals are correct and seems to fit. Same in the front wheel. Everything is dismantled. So I'm gonna take the wheels to my local tire pusher and get the rubber removed. And then I'm gonna clean the wheels and polish the crappy aluminium, so it will be a little bit more shiny. I have polished the rims. The aluminium here I polished, and I degreased it and power washed it, and it really looks like shit. The black paint has disappeared. So I think I will have to paint the rims. That will set me back some time because that's a big job. It's a disaster. Okay, both wheels are cleaned and degreased and painted with aluminium primer. Now they're ready for applying some paint. Then I'm going to paint them with black rim paint. A bit paint that's a bit more durable, a bit harder. Okay, and both rims painted. I think it will look okay. Then I get off all the masking tape. I think it will be better than it was anyway. too much cleaning and painting on this build, I think. I suspect the bike has been spent a little bit too much in this barn, so everything needs to be rust. You need to remove rust from everything and paint everything, and so it's a bit boring. A bit tired of this, and also a lot of the parts I've ordered is delayed, so I've not been able to get as far as I hoped in this project. The front forks are ready, they are oil filled and the seals are tight and everything is good. Just missing these rubber protectors here, and then I can install them. I've been promised from the various shops that everything is on its way and it should be here, but it's ordered from abroad, some of the parts. It takes time. So I have to go on a job trip again, but hopefully, as promised, the parts will arrive when I'm away, and a lot of stuff will be able to be fitted back to the bike when I come home. The wheels came out okay. Pretty good. Happy with that. They're almost as good as the Czech lager I brewed few weeks ago.